Storytime with Me TV, where books come alive. Noko loved the gentle splash of the river and the quiet hum of dragonflies. Every morning, he rolled in the cool grass and dove through water lilies. One day, the river's song fell quiet. The water was shrinking. Noko panicked. The fish were fewer. The lilies drooped. While digging for clams, his paw touched something. A muddy piece of old paper. It was a map, faded but clear, showing the river winding to a distant spring. Noko hesitated. He had never left his riverbank. His tail quivered, but he packed some berries and set out upstream. Through thick reeds and buzzing bugs, Noko pressed on. At a muddy fork, he chose the path with morning sun glinting on leaves. He met a frog who had lost his hop. Noko carried him gently. A fallen branch blocked the stream. Noko nudged it loose with all his might. The river burbled with thanks. Noko grinned and moved on. He reached a dry, cracked meadow. The map showed water once flowed here. Noko sniffed, then dug gently. His paw hit wet clay. He cheered! Water trickled up, cold and clear. The map had led him right. The spring was hidden beneath the thirsty earth. He nudged rocks to shape a new stream. The water trickled faster. Animals gathered. Birds, bugs, and badgers watching him work. A heron flew overhead, calling out. News of water had spread. By evening, the dry meadow shimmered with a silver ribbon of flow. Noko followed the current back downstream, smiling all the way. The river sang again. Lilies lifted, fish danced. And Noko? He dove deep, brave heart full, and paws muddy with joy.